Okay, so you're using your partial quotient strategy today. And remember, the best way to do that is with multiples of 10. So I look at this number here, 629, the whole number, and I want to times 17 by a multiple of 10 to bring me close to without going over, okay? Or not even close to, but just working in multiples of 10. So I'm going to take 17, I'm going to multiply it by 10. When I do that, you're going to get 170. Same process for long division. 9 minus 0 will bring you to 9. This is going to become a 12. You had to borrow it from the hundreds column. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So again, I'm going to do another multiple of 10. 17 times 10 still brings me to 170. Subtract again. 9 minus 0 is 9. This becomes a 15. I borrow it from here. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. I'm going to continue with my multiples of 10 again. I'm going to do another 10. 17 times 10 is still 170. Subtract. 9, I don't need to regroup now. It's just 1 and 1. Now I'm not going to multiply by 10 anymore because when I do that, I would get 170, which is more than 119, okay? So now, if you can't work in multiples of 10, I like to do multiples of 5, numbers that are easy to compute. So if I'm going to take this 17 and now I'm going to do 5, just to make sure, let me multiply it over here. Regroup the 3, 85, yes, that's less than 119. So I'm going to multiply by 5. I'm going to have to move this over because I'm running out of room. So that will bring me to 4. I have to regroup this 11, or I have to regroup the 1, make it an 11. 11 minus 8 is now 34. And hopefully you know 17 times 2 is 34. So I'm going to put my last multiple over here, 17 times 2, and that brings me to 34. And again, I'm running out of room, so I won't have any remainder. So now I have to add all my multiples that I used partial quotients. I add up all the partial quotients. And I have 10, 20, 30, 35, and plus 2. That should bring you to 37. Check your work. Okay, so again, work in multiples of 10 and follow the steps. You add all your partial quotients at the end, and it'll bring you to your quotient, your full quotient.